Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 blurry screen problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Change scale 1 by 1, choose best one. Change display resolution 1 by 1, select best one. Second method is type adjust clear type in Windows search bar, click adjust clear type text. Check turn on clear type, click next. Select best one for each sample. Third method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance. Check Adjust for best appearance, click Apply, click OK, close and restart system. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drives, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, click Next, select Model, click Next. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Sixth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.